Our goal with this problem is to be able to write the equation of this parabola into both factored form and standard form. We start by identifying the intercept. So we have an intercept here at -3, 0. And also at -1, 0. That tells us that our factors are x plus 3 and x plus 1. We also have to check and see how our parabola opens. If we look at our parabola opens up. And if we put our pencil at the vertex, if we go to the right one and up one, we can see that the A value is 1. What I mean is that if we continue on there with our square, if we go over 2, 2 squared is 4. If we go back to the vertex, over 3, 3 squared is 9. It has that square pattern. From this, we have enough information now to be able to write factored form. Y equals, our A value is +1, so we don't have to write anything there. And then our factors are x plus 3 and x plus 1. We then need to write standard form. To move from factored form to standard form, I need to multiply x plus 3 times x plus 1. You can do that using a variety of different ways. One way that we talked about in class is to use the box method and to take x plus 3 times x plus 1. You could also use distributive property. You could also use FOIL. So this part right here is really any way that you would want to multiply this binomial times this binomial. The result is standard form, which would be x squared plus 4x plus 3. If we look at our standard form, one way that we can check ourselves with the graph is if we let x equal 0, 0 squared plus 4 times 0 would be 0. The y value would be 3. That tells us, even though we weren't asked, that the y-intercept would be at the point 0, 3. And if we look at our graph that was given to us over here, you can see that right there is the y-intercept at 0, 3. And so we have been able to look at our graph and identify and write our factored form and our standard form.